Allah ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu. I bear witness that there is no God but Allah, and Prophet Muhammad is the messenger and servant of Allah.